In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Gmail account settings to make sure your email experience is as seamless and efficient as possible. Keeping your Gmail settings up to date not only helps enhance your productivity but also ensures your account remains secure. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Gmail's homepage. You'll need to sign in with your existing credentials, so go ahead and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail dashboard, which should look somewhat familiar if you use it regularly. Now, in the top right corner of this page, you'll notice a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select See All Settings. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to tweak a wide array of options to your liking. Once you're in the main settings page, take a moment to overview the different tabs you see at the top such as General, Labels, and Inbox. Let's start with the General tab first. Here you can customize several settings including your default language, page size of conversations, and even your signature and vacation responder. Pay special attention to these options and adjust them according to your needs. If you're setting up an out-of-office reply, this is where you'll do it. Next, let's head over to the Accounts and Import tab. This section allows you to change key settings like how you manage your other email accounts and grant access to others if needed. If you've recently switched email addresses, you can update it here under Send Mail As. Now, let's explore the Filters and Block Addresses tab. This is your go-to place for managing your email flow. You can create new filters to organize incoming emails, making sure important messages never slip through the cracks. By setting up filters, you can automatically label, archive, or even forward emails, keeping everything under control without much hassle. Another important tab is Forwarding and Pop IMAP. If you wish to access your emails on different devices or third-party applications, this is the section where you'll enable either POP or IMAP. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Finally, once you've made all the necessary changes, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes. This ensures that all your adjustments are effectively applied and you don't have to redo anything later on. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Gmail account, making it work just the way you want. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing!